Today we live in the shadow of a monstrous writhing cloud of mushroom-like shape.
The World Health Organization says the risk of the virus expanding worldwide is now classified as very high.
Until that day comes, we must prepare ourselves to face the appalling catastrophe that may be our supreme testing time.
What we know now is that the virus is here, present at some level.
8 more countries announced their first cases on Friday.
We learned to plan our campaign by working on a set and known pattern of destruction.
Panic buying empties many shelves across the country.
The picture may well be considered alarming. Some days the shadow seems to be less opaque and the sunlight filters through.
From a climate perspective, the coronavirus pandemic is not entirely negative.
Since humans began retreating from public spaces in fear of the coronavirus, nature has begun reclaiming its space.
The question is, how long can this be held on for? And once these lockdowns lift, how will the economy be reshaped?
So these are the kinds of drastic measures that we will have to take for climate change, and it's better to do it sooner rather than later because it'll be more painful the longer we wait.
The history of this nation's use of its natural resources is marred by an appalling wastefulness and carelessness toward the future.
Man was placed in a garden and has transformed it into a desert.
We now face the task of repairing past wastes and of wisely using what is left.